Here's a quick review of this Moen matte black towel rack bar. As you can see, we have holes right above here because we actually had this installed by our contractor and it was installed incorrectly, so it actually fell off. So this time my husband installed it, and it does come with a template that you actually tape to the wall. There's different brackets. If you have drywall, they say to do it horizontally or vertically. It tells you which way to put the screws for drywall. So ours is horizontal, and you can tell our contractor did vertical, and that's why it did not stay on the wall, because he installed it incorrectly. So this time my husband installed it. It came with the instructions that you actually tape to the wall. It tells you where to put the screws, where to drill. So it's super easy. He said that anyone can do this. And like I said, they give you the template to put on the wall. So all he did was just make sure that the template, the paper template on the wall was level. Then he drilled and then took the paper template off and then installed the towel rack. We truly love this towel rack bar, and that's why we actually bought the same one again. So just make sure to read the instructions and install it correctly the first time, because you're going to save yourself a lot of work down the line. As you can see, we have to go in and putty and paint the wall, and it's just a hassle. So make sure you install it correctly, follow the instructions, and then you'll be good to go. So if you're looking for a sleek, modern looking matte black towel bar, this is a great option.